Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you don't need a full inbox but you still want emails sent to another address, email forwarding is a great option. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to connect email forwarding to Squarespace in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first step, go ahead, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way and look for Squarespace in your favorite browser. After this, we're gonna tap on this link, then go all the way to the website, tap on settings. So we have this domains and emails, tap it, then go all the way to domains and manage the domain you already own and the domain that basically you are already using. Then open the email settings. Choose email forwarding, then add forwarding address. Enter the custom email and the destination email. Then make sure to save the changes. Basically, just confirm and enable the forwarding. Then test it. Basically, by sending a test email to confirm the delivery. As for some small tips, forwarding does not allow sending email, so we only gonna be receiving them. It's kinda best for small sites or even the personal use. Check your spam filters from time to time on the receiving inbox to see if there is any news. So basically that's the whole idea, and that's how to connect the email forwarding to Squarespace in 2026. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.